In today's video, I will walk you through how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. To begin, find the hatch pattern you want to use and download the file. If the file is compressed, extract the contents and locate the hatch pattern file with the .pat extension. Next, open AutoCAD and type OP into the command line, then press Enter to open the Options window. Go to the Files tab and find the Support File Search Path section. Expand the list and locate the folder path that contains the AutoCAD support files. Double-click the folder path to open its location on your computer. Then, copy and paste or drag the .pat hatch pattern file into this folder. Once the file has been added, close the Options window. Now, type Hatch into the command line and press Enter. This will open the Hatch Creation tab. In the ribbon, locate the Hatch options and click the small arrow to open the Hatch and Gradient settings. Under the Type option, open the drop-down menu and select Custom. Next, click the Hatch Pattern Preview box to view the available patterns. Your newly added hatch pattern should appear in the list. Select the pattern, apply it to your drawing area, and the custom hatch will be added to your drawing. And that's how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.